you actually think like, oh, maybe I think that I know best, but let me put myself in their shoes when they're going through the experiential process. Like, how did that, how did that experience go for them? So I would think that initially I did get my feelings hurt, but now I know that it's only to improve my business for myself or for others. So I'm very open to feedback, and I think it still hurts in the moment, but I would say that it takes me about 5 minutes to get over it. And learning to get over it quickly, because you're like, oh, actually, like, you're right. Like, that is an area for improvement, and I'm going to do it next. And I also will make adjustments, to better my communication style. So if I get a piece of feedback on like a photography event that I have, even if it's just one or two people, like out of 50 people that had that experience, I'm going to go back to the event description and put it in the event description, because it's something that I didn't think of before, but it was a common question after. So that way people know ahead of time, this is how the event is set up. Don't expect something different.